I have a secret for you. You don't need to clean your teeth twice a day. Really, this is true. But let's dig a little deeper into this. Why not twice a day? You can clean your teeth twice a day, and I do. But if you clean it once a day the right way, that's all you need for the whole day to be able to keep your mouth healthy. What are those steps that are crucial to be able to keep that healthy mouth? Well, the first thing obviously is you need to brush your teeth. And it's important that you're brushing with the right toothbrush and the right tooth care product. What is the right toothbrush? One with soft bristles. That's the most important thing. It can be an electric toothbrush. It can be a manual toothbrush. I prefer electric for a lot of different reasons, but make sure it's a toothbrush you're going to use. The second thing is that tooth product. What should you actually put on your toothbrush? You need it to be something that's going to do more than one thing for you and do no harm in the doing of good. A lot of commercial toothpastes have things that you would never eat. If you look at their ingredient list, you would never purposefully eat those things. Well, when you're putting it in your mouth to brush with, you're eating it. You're swallowing it, guaranteed. So make sure that everything you put in your mouth is something that you're gonna feel good about putting in your entire body. That's why we created the tooth powders, so that everything that you put on your toothbrush, you can feel good about. That's the first step, is that it can't do any harm. The second step is it actually ought to do some good as well. So this tooth powder has a couple of advantages over most tooth care products. The first is it's very good at cleaning the teeth without harming them. I was very careful in choosing ingredients to make sure that this would clean plaque, but not damage enamel or dentin. So it does that. The second thing it should do is it should soothe your gums and it should strengthen your teeth in the process, not just clean. So make sure that you're using something that does not just clean your teeth, that actually strengthens the teeth, make sure that they stay clean, all of those good benefits, but also does no harm. No artificial things that you wouldn't want to swallow or eat on the side. That's step number one, brush your teeth. What's step number two? Step number two for me is always floss. Or do something between the teeth. This is also something that people are surprised when I say, is that you don't have to floss your teeth, but you need to clean between them somehow. So whether it be floss or a water pick or floss holders or little picks that go between the teeth, I don't care what it is, just clean between the teeth. The third step in your oral care routine is a tongue scraper. This is one that a lot of people overlook because they don't realize the importance of it. A lot of things live on the tongue. A lot of microbes, bugs, particularly fungus or yeast is what we know it as, live on the tongue. So you're gonna use this, you're gonna stretch it all the way to the back of the tongue, bring it forward, and you're gonna be shocked at the goo that comes off. You're gonna rinse that and you're gonna do it again until when you scrape, nothing comes off. Now that's going to leave the tongue ready for the last step. The fourth and last step is to use a mouthwash. Highly recommend this mouthwash for numerous reasons. Number one, it's going to kill bugs the right way. Number two, it's going to soothe the gums. And number three, it's going to freshen your breath. It is amazing at actually giving you that fresh breath you're looking for. This is the reason why we use it after the tongue scraper and after the tooth powder. It has hydroxyapatite as well. So when using the tooth powder, we say don't rinse. You could rinse if you rinse with this because this is going to deliver hydroxyapatite to the tooth as well and won't get rid of all the good benefit you had with the tooth powder. So let's summarize. Again, first step is brush using the right tooth product that doesn't do any harm and is going to help your teeth be very, very clean and strengthened. The second step is going to be clean between the teeth with floss or whatever other item you choose. The third is scrape your tongue, get it nice and clean. And the fourth is do a mouth rinse that will freshen the breath but also strengthen the teeth and heal the gums. All of these things in this right order done once a day will help keep your mouth healthy. Do you only need to do it once? If you do all of these things, yes. So the second time during the day, if you want to freshen up, maybe you just brush, but you leave out the cleaning between, the tongue scraping, whatever it might be. This is totally personal preference. Just know that once a day is enough to keep you healthy and to keep your mouth healthy. If you want to see all of this information, the steps that you should take to take care of your teeth once a day the right way, please request our Once a Day the Right Way guide that will walk you through all these steps in the right order to make sure that you have a healthy mouth for life.